I show you the process to replace this siding, roofing, fascia, and everything. The first, we remove the siding. The second thing, it's put it covered with Tyvek, the whole siding, the whole house, and then we start to then is start to install the boring, but it's a very cool siding, but it's fiber cement, very cool fiber cement siding. And then when we finish to install the siding, we will paint. And next, and it's replace the whole roofing.
Call MIhomesiding today at 865-351-6373. If you like this, contact, share it to anyone